Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Google Sheets, we are going to learn how to add smart chips. So what is actually smart chips? Let's click on insert menu, and here you can find smart chips. So under smart chips, people, file, calendar events, place, finance, and rating is available. Let's click on the first one, which is called people. So here I can search for different people. For now, only my email ID is available, but you can search for any other IDs. Next, under smart chips is the file. Let's click on the file. So it's going to load. No files available. When you select any cell, so basically you can insert a chips into that cell. For now, I'm going to insert a chip to this cell, which is selected. Let's click on insert menu. With smart chips, let's click on calendar events. So you can see the list of events, which is happy birthday on Tuesday, and in this date you can see different events, but it's the same. Like you can see the Tuesday, Wednesday, only the days is different, but you can see the February 10 and same, and also this one, but the years also different: 2026, 2027, 2028. Let's try to add another smart chips. You can see place. Let's click on place. So nothing is, but you can type to search for places. Next, here we have the finance. Let's click on finance. So as you can see, type to search for finance info as well. So there is no info available for finance. Let's select this cell and click on insert menu. With the smart chips, let's click on rating. You can see the rating right here, and you can choose a rating from this list. Maybe I'm going to give this cell the full rating. I'm going to select this one. So this is how we can insert chips in Google Sheets. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.